In this video, I share with you why and how to write during our self-love process. So why we write after our guided meditation. We write in order to promote self-awareness. We write in order to release things that we may be holding on to. And we also write to affirm new thoughts, to create new beliefs, and to vision what we see for our future. So how to write is, I will set, after a guided meditation, I will set an 8-minute timer, and you can use the prompt that I give you as an option to write to. You can use stream of consciousness writing, which is when you just allow any words to flow through you onto the paper without stopping for the full time. You could write a journal entry. This could be a letter to yourself, a letter to someone else. And like with our guided meditation, there's no right or wrong way. There's only your way.